Ever wondered if a low-carb diet could be the golden ticket to managing inflammatory bowel disease, commonly known as IBD? It's a question that's been intriguing scientists and health enthusiasts alike for years. But first, let's understand what IBD is. It's a condition that involves chronic inflammation of your digestive tract. Symptoms can be severe and disruptive, often leading to a lower quality of life. Now, imagine a diet that could potentially alleviate these symptoms. A diet that's low in carbohydrates. It's not a cure, mind you, but a way to manage the symptoms and improve the quality of life for those living with IBD. How does this work, you ask? Let's dive into the scientific explanation. Carbohydrates, when broken down in our bodies, turn into sugars. These sugars can cause an increase in inflammation in the body, particularly in the gut. The theory is, by consuming a lower amount of carbohydrates, there's a reduction in the amount of sugar in your system, leading to less inflammation. It's important to remember that our bodies do need carbs for energy. However, the key is in the balance. A low-carb diet isn't about completely eliminating carbs, but rather about reducing them and focusing on healthy, complex carbs instead of simple, refined ones. Moreover, a low-carb diet often results in a higher intake of proteins and fats. These can be beneficial for people with IBD, as proteins are essential for repairing damaged tissues, and fats can help reduce inflammation. Now, you might be wondering about the practicality of this diet. It's true that it requires planning and commitment, but the potential benefits for IBD sufferers make it worth considering. So, to summarize, a low-carb diet could potentially help manage IBD symptoms by reducing inflammation in the body. It involves a careful balance of reducing carbohydrate intake while focusing on healthy, complex carbs and increasing protein and fats intake. Remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's body responds differently to dietary changes. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet. So, there you have it. The science behind the potential benefits of a low-carb diet for IBD. It's an intriguing possibility, and one that could offer a new hope for those living with this chronic condition.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest